to the channel. Why am I hiding? I'm hiding. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, MissErinYvette. And I'm headed to the pool, y'all. Got my swimsuit on. This swimsuit's from Blushmark, by the way. So today, I'm actually going to throw on this unit with you guys. I have literally been wanting to purchase a new wig, but I don't know. I switched my hair up so much that it's pointless to spend hundreds of dollars on some hair that I'm not going to wear for like maybe a couple days. So I saw this really cute wig. I actually saw a couple cute wigs on Sam's Beauty. That is the site your girl used to shop from in college. And oh my god, their wigs are still bomb, still affordable. They're still clutch AF. So I got this unit. I'm going to be doing a reel. Y'all know I'm on TikTok at MissErinYvette, so add me on TikTok. The hair that I have is by Sensationnel. It's their Vice HD lace wig. It comes pre-plucked, HD lace, comes with baby hair. What really inspired me to get this wig, y'all, is that it came with pre-crimps, okay? I'm very lazy. I'm a lazy girl. I don't feel like curling or crimping my hair, so I love that this synthetic wig came with crimps already in it. I'm not really going to go through too much on what the packaging says. I'm literally just going to be installing this wig with you guys. The packaging is cute as fuck, though. Look how cute she is. Super cute. And this is the Balea Caramel. So it did come in like different colors. That was the hardest for me to pick. I didn't know which color I wanted, so I literally just got the caramel color. This is how it looks like coming out of the package. And what's sad is, y'all, I'm getting ready to go to the pool. Got full face of makeup on, and it's about to rain. It's always raining in Florida. Oh my god, this hair is gorgeous. Oh my god. Yes! It's giving me caramel vibes. Now the best thing about this wig is that she is, like, you can wear her glueless, but I think I want to glue her down. I'm actually going to go ahead and put my stocking cap on. I only have a black one, crazy enough. So let's do it. I braided my hair down this morning. So yeah, I could just throw my wig right on. What's crazy is I don't even think I have to like sew this down at all. The lace is so nice. This does not feel like typical lace on a synthetic wig. And let me show y'all. Look at that. It's just so bomb. Inside, it has two combs in the front. And I'm actually probably not gonna glue this down. I'm not lying. I'm literally about to go to the pool. I don't think I'm gonna glue this down. So I just tightened in the back. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's see. I just want to slide her on to see what she looks like. Just want to try her on. So first things first, I definitely need to go in. It's a little white. The scalp is white, but I don't have to glue her down. That's amazing. So I probably will go in a little more to pluck if this was like a real unit, but I am loving that it gives you like baby hairs off rip. Still have the lace on it, and this is just this is just how she looks. She's about 30 inches. She's full. She's giving me Beyonce vibes. So I went ahead and cut the lace, guys, and I went ahead and tinted my lace as well with some foundation. We're gonna throw her back on. Okay, here we go. Flipperoo. Woo. Okay. So I actually cut off a little baby hairs because with this style, I don't know if I want a lot of baby hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna like comb the front. And that's the crazy part about it. Like, I could go in with baby hairs. I don't know if I want to. So I'm just like taking my hands because I don't want to mess up the crimps. I love this. I'm just taking off the excess hair. Like I said, I did cut the lace, so it's shedding just a little bit. This is one of the newer wigs on Sam's Beauty, so they didn't have any reviews. And I will be sure to leave one. This is super cute though. What do you guys think? So again, this is the Vice HD Belayage Caramel. You can apply heat between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Does come with baby hairs. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put this to the test. I kind of wanted to style this wig. I want to do like a half up, half down. There's really nothing I can say about this unit. This hair looks like a wig that I would buy virgin, like literally. It looks so good. It's so snug. I don't have to even like glue it down. I thought I was gonna have to glue it down, but I don't have to. It looks so like just freaking good. The lace is actually really bomb, I'll be honest with you. So yeah, I'm not gonna do any baby hairs today, but I will do baby hairs soon. So that's it guys for my stupid quick video. I just wanted to show you guys my new synthetic wig from Sam's Beauty. It's not sponsored of course, but if you're interested in getting this unit, definitely check out the description box. And if you want to see how I style this unit, have me on Instagram at MissErinYvette. I love y'all so much and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.